Dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Excel-Freak. Today what I'll be sharing with you as an Excel function is something that is very relevant for someone who has just started learning about Excel, or I can say who is a beginner in Excel. This Excel function is used to join two text strings together. It is known as concatenate function, and there are two ways to go about and use this function. Here what I have is the first name mentioned in column D and the last name of the individual mentioned in column E. And the idea is to get the full name by joining the text in column D and column E by giving in a space in between. That will result in the full name of the individual. How I go about it is to write is equal to concatenate, select the first cell, press in a comma. Now I'll need to give in a space. However, the space will be treated as a text in my formula, and hence I need to give this space within quotes. So I open my quotes here, give in a space, put in another quotes, put in a comma and enter my second text string. Post this, I'll close my parenthesis and hit enter. What I get is the first name space second name of the individual as a result, which is the last name. Now I can just double click on the square sign over here, and what I get here is the entire list using the autofill feature. However, if I don't want to write concatenate as a function, the alternate way is to use ampersand as an operator. Let me go ahead and delete this and again do this using ampersand. Here I first go and select my first cell. Ampersand is something I use here to join my text strings together. So I'm putting in an ampersand, and now I want a space, so I'm entering that within quotes, again an ampersand, and then I select my last name and I go ahead and hit enter. The same thing or the same result is visible over here, and I can follow the same process. I can click on the plus sign over here, and what I get is the entire list. Now this example showcased us wherein we had two texts or two cells that we wanted to join together. What if along with these two cells we want to add in something extra to it? The process is going to be exactly same. So I start with my concatenate, I select the first cell, put in a comma, and here I want it to be an email ID. So let me put in a dot within my quotes, put in a comma, select my second cell, separate it with a comma, and within quotes write @abc.com. Now close my quotes and close the parentheses and hit enter. What I get is the first name dot last name of the individual @abc.com. I can just click on the plus sign, and what I get is the autofill, as a result of which the entire list is completed. This function is very useful when you have data with loads of text and that text needs to be formatted, joined together to get to the resultant. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Excel-Freak. You can also visit our Facebook page Excel-Freak. Goodbye. Have a great evening. Thank you.